Okay, it's a little embarrassing. So basically, yeah. What are we doing today? We are having the very, very first English stream. We're back. That's all right. Uh, Basically, what happened? My camera died, suddenly died after I started the stream, and it died as bad as it shouldn't have died. So I killed the process. I quit the program, but there was still this program in the tasks manager, I guess. Yeah, I guess task manager. And I couldn't kill this task in a task manager. And I had to restart my computer. And computer, first of all, it didn't want to restart because he couldn't kill this program. And then he didn't want to start because I had to restart it with. I basically just stopped electricity, and that's all. Running, it was running in the background, yeah, and I couldn't kill it. I couldn't just a simple, yeah, basic Windows story. And I have a camera from iPhone, and I have to connect it to the Windows. So I use a program to connect them. It always is very confusing, You know. Did I miss Love to this stream? Yes, you missed Love to this stream. Yes, that's right. I was very sad too, and I made a Flappy Mouse game with a moving parallax background. With a moving parallax background. So Linux. Just I don't think that Linux would be very good for a personal computer. Do you practice English a lot lately? I usually have 5 minutes in English reward on my streams, so sometimes people use this word and I talk in English. Whereas subtitles, I didn't think about subtitles. I had an overlay for subtitles, but I don't think that it would work well. Subtitles are in Yandex browser, for example. How do you practice tenses English without getting confused? I understand speech very well by ear, but it's very difficult to write or answer without mistaking the tenses. Um, I don't know. It's complicated for me too because all my practice is in English. Is just in watching different YouTube videos and different Twitch streams. That's all. Thank you for English stream. Are you using English for home desktop? No, I don't use Linux for home desktop. I use Linux only for my home server. All my computers, notebook, and so on, laptop, sorry, are with Windows. English is not my first language too. It's complicated. Oh, it's so complicated. I think that I already forgot every English word I know, and I know how to say London is the capital of Great Britain. Because basically, London is the capital of Great Britain. It's the first phrase many Russian people learn when they start learning English in school, for example. English stream on VK Play, yes. Sorry for my bad England. I sold my wife for internet connection for play correlation of code. We, oh no. I didn't really, I wasn't ready for the stream because I don't know how to say the most important Twitch word. How to say word, let me Google it. No, Ambera. No, Ambera. Yes, you can't say this word. And I am judging Ambera. And I am judging Murat Erogel. Because it's a very bad words and bad situations. Judging, yes, I will be judging everyone who will say bad words. because it's the alternative for осуждаю word in Russian. So yeah, there is like a meme for English or for Russian streamers that every time someone says something bad, some bad words, some bad situations, you have to say осуждаю, осуждаю, and in English it is translated like I am judging you, I am judging you. Let us speak from our hearts. Yeah, London is the capital of Great Britain. You know. What you use as storage, Raspberry Pi or normal x86? I have a Raspberry Pi, but it is not connected for now. And I have, yeah, a simple old computer. I think you can say, don't agree? Maybe. Oh, you're from Illinois. Hello again. Hello. Rules, I don't really have rules. I have a command and simple Twitch rules work here as in every Twitch stream, I guess. What is Raspberry Pi for? I don't need to use for now, but there was a stream like 2 or 3 months ago where I connected my Raspberry Pi to the computer and I connected my Twitch bot to the computer, to the Raspberry Pi. So everyone in the chat could activate the reward and just flash a few LEDs. It's coming. She will show me. Okay, I won't show the box. Okay. My biggest problem in English in that I don't know many synonyms, and every time I feel like a Homer when, while in my native language, I love to describe my thoughts colorfully. Yeah, it is. Many people say that to talk in English, you don't really need many words. You can just use like 500 words or so, but when you want to express your feelings, your emotions, and so on, you need definitely more than 500 words. You need 500 words only if you want someone to understand you. Raspberry Pi for Telegram bots. One more minute. Your English is very nice. It's for now. In a few minutes, I will forget every English word I know. Maybe. Well. What do I want to? I want to fix some problems. What's happened? What's happened? Okay. Streams recorded. Yes, it's good. Why your stream is 18 plus? Because sometimes I can use swear words if I don't like that Node.js is not starting or so on. And sometimes I drink wine on my streams. Yeah, so that's the point. Sometimes I drink wine. Yeah. Raspberry. No. You're expanding your audience? I don't think that I'm really... Maybe, yeah. I guess I am expanding my audience because usually every stream I see a lot of foreign speakers in the chat who want me to speak in English, who ask different questions in English, but still they don't really understand everything that is going on. They want to help with my project, but they really can't. Yeah. Иногда ругаюсь матом, иногда пью вино. Поэтому 18+. No, maybe every stream I drink wine. Who knows? Sometimes, maybe today. Maybe not today. Maybe next stream, maybe. Who knows? Timo Rainer, thank you for your follow. Thank you so much. Now there will be a reward talking in Russian for 5 minutes. Yes, there is a reward talking Russian for 5 minutes. If anyone is tired of my awesome Russian accent, you can turn this word on. Okay, I don't know many English alternatives for different technical words, so your accent is great. So maybe we'll start with some coding game, because there are a lot of people who love coding game. There are a lot of foreign speakers who love coding game, and I don't think that I will struggle a lot with my English. And finally, everyone who wanted to ask different questions can ask them, and I will try to answer. Fahima Div, thank you for your follow. Lifehack, many technical words originate from English anyway. For while, loop, and so on. Yeah. It's time to try Alt Linux on English. No. Ask chat when you don't know the word. Maybe, yeah. And what about the box? Do you want me to show the box? Arduino box? Or no? Or the box will wait for a few minutes, for a few hours. You want the box? You want the box? If you make Russian lessons on Udemy, I would like to buy it. I don't think that. I think that there are a lot of very good lessons on different courses. I don't really think for now that I need to make my personal course. Box. Okay. Dodge Chain, thank you for your follow. Welcome to the stream. So, as we started, sorry for the. Okay. Oh no. What's going on? What is with my...
Амера поддержал ваш канал на 500 рублей и сообщает: Sorry for oxymoron. I know it was stupid joke. Peace.
Okay, Amber. Yes, we have to go with the rules. So thank you for your help, for your donation. I wanted to show you the box. Yeah. At first, I hadn't understood why you're speaking English, but then I read the title. I think it's a great idea for streams. How often English streams are going to be? For now, I don't know if anyone would like them. First of all. Second, I don't think that my English is enough for technical streams, and I want to understand it today. And we'll see. Let's go 24-hour stream. No. 24-hour stream was a very bad idea when I did it first time, because I wanted to sleep so badly in like 10 hours of streaming. And I slept like 4 hours of the stream. It was hard. I didn't quite like this idea. I personally love it. It deserves more viewers. We'll see. Crashful, thank you for your follow. Crashful for skins, thank you. The next step is game streaming. I have gaming streams every Saturday or Sunday, sometimes. Yeah. No Espanol. Any coding battles today? Yeah. I want to show you the box. So, people were talking about Raspberry Pi and different things, and basically I have a whole collection of the Raspberry Pi things, and Arduino, and micro, the box, and micro, how do you say it? Transistors. I can't understand anything in this box. I know that I can show you the Arduino. I have the Arduino. Enigma, thank you for your follow. It's a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. I have Arduino. It's like Italian Arduino, Italian Arduino, made in Italy. You see. Yes. I can't translate this thing definitely. And the main thing, I have this Raspberry Pi. It's a Raspberry Pi with a small cloud, and you can turn on and turn on all those LEDs. And I even had the stream that connected chat to the Raspberry Pi and to this cloud. I guess if I connect it, it will work for now. The solder gun? Who did you rope for this? I worked hard for them. It costs like $1 million. It cost like $1 million to buy this box. So what do I have? I can't understand and translate this thing too. Soldering. Advanced metal. Flux. Okay, it's flux. It's flux. It's very good flux. We have this thing called the third hand. Smiling big. Thank you for your follow. It's third hand, so you can, Yeah. We have some broken plates, I guess. And broken, they're just burnt. Baby magnifying glass? No, it's a third hand, so you can place something in here, and it would be easier to solder, I guess. We have Arduino Nano here. Make a new schedule, we need a soldering day. We have in Russia a very big soldering streamer. Alex, is this yours? Do you know how to solder? A little bit. It's like... Last time, when I tried to show everyone how to solder, they really thought that I was trying to make a joke, and I thought that I would solder like this. And everyone thought that I was serious. Like, it's a very big problem. I don't know why, but I always make different jokes, and every time I make a joke, everyone thinks that I'm serious. So I said, okay, let's solder, and they're like, oh no, how stupid she is, and so on. I was joking about like not knowing what is the capital of Africa, and everyone really thought that it wasn't a joke. Okay, what's next? Sadhok, thank you for your follow. And this is, oh no, it's from that one stream that I took this LED light as a hostage. And I told everyone that if they want to donate, I will kill this LED light with a battery accumulator. Something like so. Yeah, what do we have? Yeah, so I had to connect this thing with LED and place it here so the LED would die. But battery died first, so LED didn't die. And what do we have here? Oh no, how do you translate? It's flux again. Okay. And yeah, I forgot the story. A few months ago, I ordered an ESP from AliExpress. I ordered a ESP, so I wanted to make a few more projects and streams and so on with LED. How do you say those? With LED lights different. And AliExpress sent me this programmator. Why? Listen, student. Have a good stream. Thank you so much. Yes, it's a very, and the last thing for today is my big box in my small box in a big box where I have all the different, how to say датчик. I need to have an open translator. Different sensors. Yeah, sensors like different sensors, different drivers, motors, different like plates, different, and so on. And it has another side. And on this another side, visual sensors on my face. Thank you. Finally, I understand what to say. Today is an English stream. This is a Giver box. I don't know what Giver box is. What's Giver box? Why did you disassemble Banter? And I have in and out wires, in wires, out wires, different Cron connectors, another flux, different LEDs, RGB LEDs. Yeah, well, here they are, RGB LEDs. What are the Russian subtitles? I guess for now only in Yandex browser, I guess. I plan to stream in English regularly. All I can do in Russian is count to 10. Maybe depends on the situation, depends on what people will think about these streams. Yeah, many more fluxes, resistors, different types of resistors. Do you have professional technical education, or it's just your hobby? It's just my hobby, and I didn't finish university. I quit it on the third course. Okay. Fine. Let's remove it for now. It's a very big box. Are you electronics engineer? No. It's just for fun, I guess. For making some small home projects. Transformators? No. I have, how do you call it? Crimper? Is it a crimper in English too? I can't translate Vitaya para, so... Okay. Let's return everything in the box. I have the box of Arduino stuff. I have the box of Rubik's cubes. I have a box of puzzles. Twisted pair, yeah. And crimper. A crimper. What about crimper? Oh no. I moved crimper from here, from this flat. So, okay. Let's return it on the table. Are you going to watch a new Barbie movie? I don't think so, because you can't legally watch a Barbie movie in Russia, because Russia doesn't have any new films now, so crimper. Okay. Okay. What about some coding game? The easiest game in the world. I really like the look of the box. You keep it all in. There's a simple box with a few rows. Thank you. Okay, let's start. I need a translator. I definitely need a translator. Do I have a DeepL translator? Always by your side, I respect that. I need a DeepL. Yeah, okay. I will put it somewhere here so I can understand I can translate any words I don't know, because I usually see that I don't know many words. let's go. Let's go to the coding game. Here we are. Here we are. Other people, box of chocolates, mehmash, a box of electronics. Hello, Alot, hello. Box of I had a box of chocolates once, but I usually just buy box of chocolates, eat box of chocolates, or eat a few chocolates, buy a few chocolates, eat a few chocolates. I had a very bad situation yesterday. I started the stream and I had 3 Kinder surprises, Kinder eggs, and none of that eggs had the toy I wanted. Oh no, English is words. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yeah, it's very hard for you. Только подписался и сразу I don't know, что здесь происходит. Today I am trying to speak in English. I am trying to make an English stream, but tomorrow would be a simple Russian stream, as always. You're doing great, thank you. Understandable for me. Okay. Did you expect electronic components from Kinder Surprise? No, I wanted to have a raccoon toy, because every Kinder now has this raccoon picture on it, and I wanted to have this raccoon, but I did not quite make it. So let's start a clash, and let's participate in all this. Валималадзе, waiters, welcome guys. Welcome. So we have a very interesting stream today. We have a very interesting stream for today, because I am streaming in English. Hello, my brother. Hello. It's an English stream. Today we are starting with a coding game, so we are learning programming. Russians love raccoons. Yeah. Raccoons are awesome. Hello, guys. Welcome. So, guys, basically, if I want to explain you what's going on. I just started a new coding game. You can just watch for now what's going on and then participate, or you can participate even now. It's a competition where you have to compete with others, with people in chat, basically, and participate in coding, in your coding programming skills. Johnny Test Limit, thank you for your follow. Hello, my brother, hello. Good evening from Sweden. Hello, Tobedelius. Hello. Здравствуйте, Stealth Demi-Ara. Welcome. Do you have some soldering experience in electronics? Was really impressed with your magic box. I have just a small experience. Tobedelius, thank you for your follow. I'm gonna lose. You can try every language, every programming language you know. There would be a small, simple tasks about loops, about if statements, about conditions, about strings, arrays, I guess. Sign up required. Yeah. You have to sign up. You can sign up with your GitHub. Mavroza, thank you for your follow. Thank you so much. You can, you can sign up with GitHub. And Stealth Demera, thank you for your follow. I will clone this link. So anyone can join, or you can just watch it for now. Watch this game, how we will compete with the Whale, Murat, username, and Erneric. I would try to translate everything I can, but we'll see. There are a few modes in this game. There is a simple fastest mode, where you have to solve the task the fastest. There is a reverse mode, when you have only test cases and you have to understand what the task was. And the last is the shortest, when you have to write the most short code you can. No, it's fine. You followed. It's okay. No, no, please, 0 lira toilet, please, please, 0 lira toilet. Yeah, we have 8 participants for now. Anyone can join with the link. Shortest mod, yeah. You have to write the shortest code, the least amount of lines and symbols. Sign up with your GitHub, and we will start in 1 minute. For everyone who is new here, this is my mouse cup. It is half a liter, I guess. It's half a liter, and this mouse even has whiskers. So you can see there are whiskers. This mouse has whiskers. Yeah, very big. Yeah, we have 10 participants, 11 participants, 11 competitors. And yeah, Red Gem is my favorite emote in BetterTV, I guess. Do they only так писать можно? No, you can write anything you want, and I would try to translate your words if you write something in English. Or in Russian, I guess. Game Dev Try Top, thank you for your follow. Yeah, it's the best emote ever. The best emote, right? Hello. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3. Wine, thank you for your follow. Welcome. 0. Reverse mode. We have these cases and we have understand. Yeah, very late, right? 169, 104, 13, 10, 16, no, 16 and no, 51. Okay, I already don't understand this task. 6. Murat understood this task. Boom. 6, 5, 5, 3, 6, 9, 8, 3, 0, 4. If you sub which that in English sub something, you get 3, 2, not 2. Subtract, yeah, subtract. Okay, I can just subtract it. And if I subtract 104 from 169, I would get 65. And divided by 5? Nope. No. Polodex, thank you for your follow. I didn't get it. Me too. Okay, I don't understand. Divided by 5. Here you divided by 3. Your English is almost perfect as mine. That's cool. Sometimes I forget to talk normally and I start my very stupid English or very stupid Russian accent. And I don't understand. 6. From 6 we get a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? Any ideas? Any ideas? Hi, you speak what? Hello? What are you go? I try to understand what's going on in here. So basically here we just subtract and get this number. Okay. Are you asking for spoilers? Maybe. Everyone understood it. Yeah, I am. Okay, English makes me lose IQ points. Streamer chair makes me lose IQ points. 150. Impossible. Thank you for your follow. It's math function. Math function. Oh, I gotta get used to it. I'll try. You are welcome. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's a common something. Common. Why 3, 2, 7, 6, 8? Common divisor? You think that I remember the common divisor algorithm? No. I know that you have to do something like AB equals A divided by B and A or something like that. But I'm not right now, so it must be fine. Greatest common divisor. Okay, oh, I would do it just with the for loop. I think there's built-in function in Python. In Python? Yeah, B, A divided by B. Yeah. Pedro Burita, thank you for your follow. I guess Murat or Whale or someone else will give me this. M equals I. Print M. Integer division or modulo by 0. Why? Oh no. I will repeat it in one sentence. Repeat sentence where? Actually, mine is pretty bad, especially when I'm sober. Oh no. But, well, sober is трезвый, I guess. Yeah. I don't think that my English would become better if I would be drunk. But for now, I didn't really have any orders. So, okay, I'm in like 10th place. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Желаю на Steam, спасибо большое. Thank you so much, Memorosa. Thank you. Today I wrote game Hangman on Python. Yeah, you wrote it in the chat, I guess. Hi, cool Steam, thank you. Thank you so much. Interesting way to do GCD. It's it didn't actually. Oh no. I forgot +1. I forgot +1 in the end. It was a bad idea. It was a very bad idea. How do you write? Okay. You really have a built-in function. I didn't really know about built-in function. I didn't know that there is a built-in function. Oh, okay. Arrest me, I didn't know this. I didn't know this. And as can on set, you can do it with like a while loop or something else. I forgot +1 in the loop. I had to write +1 here. Best way is use Euclid's algo without any loops. Yeah, I know. With a while loop. Why didn't you get 100 points? Because +1. Masha's and Sonic's English sound very similar. Because he has English with Russian accent and I have English with Russian accent. How do you get points here? If test cases are right, if you pass the test cases. Range is right, I guess. I forgot +1. Okay, let's start another game. So it was a reverse game when you didn't have any tasks, you had only test cases. I will give the link in VK and I will give the link in their YouTube. How long do you stream today? I guess like a few hours, 1 or 2 or 3 more hours. Actually, it depends on everyone's time, because I guess me and different viewers have different time. For me, it's almost 12 p.m. Almost 12 p.m. like 11:30 p.m. And for many different people, I guess for Whale or maybe for someone else, it is like 1 a.m. midnight. Yes, almost midnight. Almost midnight for me. The best time to practice English was during the World Cup 2018 in Moscow, golden times. In Russia, I mean, not only Moscow. In Moscow mostly, yeah. But I didn't really see anyone. I guess I was asked one day in the subway. I guess someone asked me, how can I go to the stadium, or how can I go to this particular subway station? But that's all. Yeah, 1:28 p.m. for me. Yeah. Midnight for me. Almost midnight for me. Midnight. Yes, 12 a.m. I guess it is midnight. It's very complicated because in Russia we don't use a.m. and p.m. Time. We don't use a.m. and p.m. for describing words. We just say 23, 29. Yeah, 20-hour clock. Yes. 23, 29. Military time. Yeah. And I guess for most of people in Europe, it is like 20 hours, like 19 hours, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. For people in US, it is about 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 13, 14, 15. Weird, but there goes 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. to a.m. Yeah, I didn't understand it. Yeah, I thought it is 12 p.m. Do you use analog watch? Yeah. Oh no, it is. Yeah, I have 23:30 on my watch, on my band. Was it hard to start streaming? I am a developer too. I want to stream in a study time format and so on. What is study time format? It's even not a watches. Yes, it's Xiaomi Mi Band to count your steps, to see your heartbeat and so on. 12 a.m. and then 1 a.m. to a.m. The strangest time system. Heart rate, yeah. Fitness brace. Okay, like. And it is, if you can see, like 83 beats per minute. For me, for now. It's good to have monitor here. It has a, oh no, how do you say it? What a sensor for COVID illness. When you count your уровень кислорода. Analog watch with 3 needles to point number usually go from 1 to 12. Yeah, I don't use those. And I didn't really know that midnight is actually 12 a.m., not 12 p.m. Oxygen level, yeah. And you can count oxygen level here. Saturation, yeah, saturation. Apple Watch, very I guess Apple Watch is bad because you have to charge it every time you charge your phone, like every day a few times. Fastest, just the fastest mod. Michael's teaches his bad man match at 10. Integer number of students is where 100. Student according to the score from height low name. External rank shouldn't appear score on C. We will append this split, and we will use it as student 0 and student first, and then we will absolute sort k and use the lambda function. First of all, we will use the first, and then x0th, and this is int. And then for I in range len s, we will print I plus 1 s ith zeros, s ith first, sep equals something like that. Found key. Why? Oh no, minus. Read literal full influence 10 Shelton. What? How? Oh, okay. It will be minus first. Okay. Lanlax Raiders from Lanaga, welcome guys, welcome back. It's my first English stream. I don't have a rate notification, but welcome, thank you so much. OG, thank you for your follow. I want to do this task because no one has really done it. For now, welcome everyone. EJ SMP, thank you for your follow. I want to. Okay, input split S1, S2. Divine Dev Studios, thank you for your follow. Thank you so much. We have to make this task. I want to join the first part of this line from start to minus first, I guess. So expensive, right? welcome guys. Ganit, thank you for your follow. Thank you guys. Okay, and for now, expect to... Creative Steves, thank you for your follow. Lowest entropy, thank you for your follow. Okay, Will decided how to Will has solved this question, but I have a few questions. Why I have Sienna Danis as the third one? List a rank of students who the score from high to low. Oh, so if anyone has the same score, you have to... You don't have to add a 1 to the integer that counts. Okay. So for I in range, okay, for J in students, or for S in ST in S. London is the capital from... Hey Masha, where are you from? I am from Russia, and today is my first English stream, because I always stream in Russian, and I have many foreign viewers, and I want to stream for them too, sometimes. Welcome, welcome guys. If same score, sort by name. But not that. Outbeat, thank you for your follow. You don't watch YouTube chat? I watch YouTube chat, but I guess sometimes I don't really have time to watch every single comment. Happy we found you. Thank you so much. I sorted everyone. And the next step is to give everyone a number. And I will do something like that. Last score. Will be something like that. And I will say that if a last score is not like current score, I will add a 1 to the I variable. And then I will change the last score variable to the current. No. Oh no, st. And without ice. Okay. Hello me. Thank you for your follow. Current score. Current score? Description is on Russian. I thought that it would be a very complicated to double everything. Current, I don't know. I thought current. And what's now? Current. Okay, current. Where can I ask you software coding questions? Twitch personal messages? You can ask them in my Telegram chat, maybe, or just here. Okay, so direct messages here, yeah. You can, yes, there is a Telegram chat. You can write !TG comment. So we will get links to my Telegram chats and Telegram alerts channel. Okay, so I guess for I in range, there are 5 languages. Yeah. For I in range, len s. S ith first. J. Oh no, J. S J first, and here is J first. S J first. And if it is else, we will do something like that. Coder, thank you for your follow. Thank you for your follow. And write it with J. And La Alimana, thank you for your follow. Welcome everyone. J +1 or so. And I will equal to J. Again, Sienna Dennis. Last score isn't equal. Okay, if it's not equal, I will... okay, if it equals... Oh, okay, let's do this. finally! Oh, it was a very, very big task with a lot of sorting, with a lot of... The most problematic thing were those indexes. What do you mean, Alexei? What do you mean? I made it. I am the fifth for now. I was gonna ask if you live in the United States, do you need to go to college to get a degree in web development? I don't live in the United States. Eric, thank you for your follow. Welcome. I don't live in the United States. I live in Russia. A dev official. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for your follow. Actually, it's already 6: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. Russian is an international language. Nice to see you speaking in English. It's complicated. Believe me, it's complicated. Because I forgot every word that I want to use. And I think that I use just 10 basic words or so. Now you can be educated, thank you. Yes. Your accent sounds cool. I tried to make it as small as possible, but sometimes I forget. Because saying those R's, saying those there, it's not a very... Gemma, thank you for your follow. It's not very common for Russian language. We don't say R's, we don't say there. And I always forget to say them. And I say something like something there. Not there, just there. Expensive Russian accent. And I didn't really train my speaking English. I never trained my speaking English. My internet went out when I was writing my submission. Psych, hello. Welcome. Masha has nice eyes. Thank you. We have a few more competitors. How did Will solve? I want to understand. In enumerate, INS enumerate R. I guess, yeah, something like that. I have a Russian accent when I speak English, trust me. Oh, we'll wait for others to finish. They have 2 more minutes. When will stream in Turkish? I don't know Turkish. I can stream. Kaden Bardison, thank you for your follow. Welcome here. Welcome, welcome. I don't know Turkish. I trained speaking English when I was young, when I went to English lessons at school, and there you train your English speaking. But last, I guess, 10 years I could train my English only in YouTube videos, in Twitch streams. Beautiful. In Twitch streams, because you watch videos, because many technical, first of all, videos are in English. You can't understand, you can't find anything you want in Russian. You have to find some things in English. Yes or no? And almost every documentation is in English, and you have to write, you have to practice your understanding. Coder guy, thank you for your follow. Vocabulary. Yeah, who cares about vocabulary? I don't think that many people use 100% right vocabulary. Just I always forget different tenses. I always forget words. I always change them and forget to say s's, eds, and so on. I live in Antalya and I can learn Russian just by going on the street. I was Code Hassan Ali. I was in Antalya like half a year ago. It was my first trip to Turkey. Yes, it was very, very interesting. I even swam. I was swimming in the sea. It was like 18 15 Celsius or so, and I swam in the sea. Not even Americans have perfect vocabulary. That's nonsense. If you are a native speaker, it doesn't mean that you have 100% right vocabulary, because then you wouldn't need any language exams. Okay. Oh no, 20%. Let's start another game. In Russia, we have this big exam at the end of the school, and Russian is the обязательный. How to say обязательный? Mandatory exam. I am not a nutbag. Thank you for your follow. Hindi, Bengali, and Punjabi, most common coding languages. Mandatory exam is Russian, and you think that many people get 100 points for this exam? No, not really. Because there are some small details in the language that you always can't remember. Link? Oh, I'm sorry. I am, yes, okay. Okay, I forgot about the link. Many info in Hindi. I guess even Indian coders try to translate it. Is there another visitors that in Russian streams or the same? I didn't really understand you. Can you please repeat? Or people in America, they all have different accents and different English, especially in California. Yeah. Have you been affected by the war yet? I don't want to speak about this theme, nor in English nor in Russian. No politics, yes. Okay, we have 13 competitors. Canada gives permanent residency using English points. What is Clash of Code? Clash of Code is a site where you can participate with other people in writing different tasks. There are a few mods, like the fastest mod. You have your task and you have to write it the fastest. You can use different languages like Ruby, Python, C++, C#, Pascal, I don't know, another competition, yeah. And you have the shortest mod, where you have to write the shortest code possible. The shortest code. The fastest or the shortest code will win. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, Amy. Hello. Maybe I will do those English streams every Wednesday. Maybe not every Wednesday, maybe once a month. Can we import models? Built-in models, yes. Built-in models, yes. NumPy, pandas, or something like that? No, I don't think. In Turkish university entrance exam, average true answer or Turkish part is 17 out of 40. Oh. Okay. And I guess something like that for Russian exam too. Any Russians here? A lot, I guess. I guess a lot because Renerik is definitely Russian. Ruski is so expensive. I think a lot and watch multiple streamers. Please forgive. It's okay. We drink here sometimes too. I have this. How do I say it? I have this thing on my streams. So if people donate to me, I will drink wine I have my bottle of red wine today, so I'm only quarter Russian. I don't really know anything about me. Cast and chill vibes hour for the streamer to be more like. Thank you so much, no donator. Thank you so much. Yes, we have this platform. So basically, what about donations? Because I live in Russia, Twitch doesn't support any monetization for my channel. And I can't get any money from my Twitch subscription or so on. A modified word. What is modified word? In World of Lowercase, first get doubled it. The second time it appears in the original word, triple it. Oh no. Oh. So, what I was gonna say about donations. Twitch doesn't support monetization for Russian streamers. And Will already did it. I don't understand. Yes, Siraya, thank you for your follow. And I can only get money from streaming if people donate to me directly with donation alerts or donate pay or Streamlabs or something else. Because no subscriptions work for me. Okay, it's a simple task. Okay. I guess, yeah, it's a simple task. Yeah, I did the same. By the way, thank you, no donator. If you press this...
Поддержал ваш канал на 600 рублей и сообщает. I guess that will be enough.
For the glass of wine? For the glass of wine? Test Katlipka wants a glass of wine, I guess. So, for example, guys, my donator just decided that he wants me to drink a glass of wine, not of vodka. I have vodka, but I won't drink vodka with streams. So I have my glass of red wine, and I have my glass. I guess I have my bottle of wine, and I have my glass, and we will combine them for now. Is Hasan Ali using ChatGPT? He has quite a long solution. Sometimes people use it, yeah. Yeah, sometimes people use ChatGPT. You can understand it by looking at comments, looking... What a beautiful cap. Thank you. I bought it because I forgot my glasses in my country house or so. And this Katlipoka, your arithmetic system works kind of strange, because we decided with you that we want to make arithmetic progression. Wine is coding and doping. That we want to make an arithmetic progression, and basically what's going on every stream. I get the first glass of wine, the second glass of wine, and that's all. Of course you have vodka in your house because you are Russian. Definitely. No one using default dict? Yeah, I guess this works kind of like ChatGPT solution. Like 45 seconds. Do you get drunk easily or no? Depends on my day, I guess. If I am in a good mood, if I ate a lot of food for today, I won't get drunk really fast. But sometimes second glass of wine and I want to sleep already. And of course, Masha has a bear. I'm Masha. Masha and the bear. Of course, of course, of course. Well, Murat can't use default dict because he's using Ruby. Polynomo. No, Polynomo didn't use default dict too. I don't have vodka and don't like it. Actually, not so many Russians love it. Yeah, it's just a stereotype. Red vodka, red wine, red wine, red wine. And many Python developers. Yeah, default dict. Or it was you with default dict. Great, welcome. Welcome, Raiders from great. Right, welcome, guys. We have an English stream today. English is the capital of Great Britain. Beer is the most popular drink, I think. I guess so too. Yeah. I don't quite understand beer for now. Yet. Angliski, that's right. I still don't understand beer. Maybe one day. We have 9 more minutes, and almost everyone solved this task, and we will wait a few more minutes, and then we will continue to we'll go to the next task, because you're too young. Maybe. My husband loves beer so much, but I don't understand it. Call that beer like Corona Extra is bis during summer. This summer, or I mean this spring, I saw this guy in YouTube Shorts that opens the bottle with his teeth or with his eye or something like that, and he spins it. He spins the beer and drinks it like in 2 seconds. I wanted to try to repeat it, but I don't think it would work for me. Are you using Windows or Linux? For my personal computer, I use Windows. For my server, I use Linux. Red wine. It's very first red wine on the stream. I did it with vodka once. Spinned a half-liter bottle and drank it in 2 seconds. I use Arch, by the way. Many people told me that Arch is very complicated because you have to go into settings and make a lot of things to work, so Arch will work fine. As an Ukrainian, I don't understand why you ban me. I didn't ban you. I just don't want any politics in this chat. That's all. I can't discuss this theme. That's all. Friendship ended with Arch. No, Nixos is my friend. What is Nixos? Arch is a do-it-yourself distribution. Yeah. Masha is using a wine. Yeah, Telepoka, where is your first English stream? Where is your first English stream? Tell me, please. Tell me, please. Okay. I guess almost everyone completed this clash. We have a few more. We have a Haskell solution. Okay, we have F sharp. As always, we have F sharp solution. Oh, no, such a long line. Husky. I see you practice Balmer's Peak. I guess one glass of wine is not enough for Balmer Peak. Lolly Ovas, thank you for your follow. It's the same solution as yours, literally. Just with a very long line. Okay. Every my stream is multilingual. So if I'll talk to you in English in your chat, you will answer me in English. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, right. It was very, very late, right? Okay, let's start another clash. And I will give you a link. Maybe even in Spanish or French. Oh, I don't understand Spanish or French. What about German? What about German? Inglando. I guess I didn't really have a Balmer Peak anytime. Not even once. So, Infernal Form, my R, Smart Coder, and Akbar, you can share your code, so I can see it in the here on the stream. You have to just push a button, share my code, and then I can look at it in the stream. Count. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Okay, interesting. Yeah, there is a small button, share my code. So there will be a view code button, and I will show your solution and look at your solution. We have 10 people here. Very chill stream, yeah. I hope you guys like it. That the runtime complexity matter for Square? No, not at all. It is not lit code, it is not code vars, it is not code forces. It doesn't matter if your solution is short or long. It doesn't matter if your solution is complicated or not, is it fast or not, or slow. If you write your solution fast, you will win. That's all that matters. Learning Golang for now. Wanna see some G solutions? Mars isn't participating. Mars usually made some Go solutions, but he's not participating today. You can participate too. And even like in the shortest mod. Even in the shortest mod, you don't need to write the fastest solution. You don't need it. Only the length of your solution counts. Me brute force every problem. What is your favorite mod between reverse, shortest, and fastest? Maybe reverse. But I usually don't really understand the tasks. But I guess... shortest. But I always forget to read all the data with the open zero function. That's my problem. But I like the shortest mod. Do they ask graph problems? I don't think so. It's usually just simple lists, arrays, conditions, while and for loops, strings. Reverse is probably my worst mod. Sometimes I don't see the pattern. Me too. The first problem today was reverse, and it was a simple GCD. and I didn't really understand it. Only one chat viewers said to me that it is a GCD algorithm. Thank you. Hello, Dadev. How long are you in coding? Very interesting to see your experience. I am in coding, like hard in coding, for 2.5 years. I learned coding in school, and for a long time I stopped it. And then 2.5 years ago, I started to learn coding very hardly. I even had two coding jobs as a Python web developer, and like that, almost a year ago, I quit them. Graph problems are pretty complicated. There won't be any graph problems on Clash of Code, I guess, only on LeetCode and Codeforces. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And it is reverse. Again, reverse. Hello, I'm a string. Can you figure out the solution to this puzzle? You can do it, and believe in you. Okay, 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, no. 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And here we had 11. Well, then a plus 1 divided by 2. Really? That's all? That's all? Okay, it was a very simple problem. In length besides Python. So, David, here we come. Here is the concept of my streams. I want to tell it to everybody if anyone doesn't know, because English viewers, I guess, don't understand it really quite really understand it. Basically, on my streams, I do different technologies. So, on my streams, I did some Arduino, I did some Raspberry Pi, I did some React, I did a Vue.js project, I did assembler, I did C#, C++, Qt with Qt Designer. Respect and all the best. Thank you, Stelis Demiara. Thank you for being here. So basically, the concept of my streams is learning. Lua yesterday, yeah, we learned Love2D. No, I don't know everything. No, it's not the point. I don't know everything, of course. My main English is Python, but every every Tuesday I do this thing that's called an auction. Auction or lottery. GDScript, Unity, Godot, Twitch bots, and so on. I do this thing that is called a lottery, or an auction, where everyone who wants to participate can enter his technology here, and I will Meta is silent, and I will add it here. So someone wants C#, I will add a C# here. Someone wants Godot, I will add it here. Someone wants, for example, Unity, I will add Unity here. Someone wants assembler, I will add it here. Pascal and so on. Yeah. We have Pascal. We have OpenGL. OpenGL. We have Vulkan API. So basically, everyone Haskell. We had Haskell. We had Kotlin one day, and I even have my Vulkan API closure. We didn't have any closure on this team. We had Haskell. We had Rust. We had many different technology. So basically, everyone adds his technology. Turtire, thank you for your follow. Welcome. Everyone adds his technology to this list, and you can add it with a Twitch reward, or you can add it with a donation. And then we have this random wheel that will spin and choose one technology that I will do on the stream. It can be anything. Even some programming games like Shenzhenyu, 7 Billion Humans, Human Resource Machine, or so on. Like, for example, C# 1 for today. Yeah, here's the concept of most of my streams. I do those lotteries where everyone can add his favorite technology here. Thank you for English Wednesday. You speak wonderfully. I prefer hearing your English with a Russian flavor than California English. Barcode Booger, thank you for your follow. Yeah, Better Gabe, and you usually spoke with only emotes, with just small emotes, and today you always can speak freely. You always can Factorio. That's right. Daidev, thank you for your follow. Cobol, no, we didn't have Cobol. We didn't have Cobol for now. I can just open my YouTube channel and watch all different technologies. Like, let's see. Factorial Sample Explorer. It's a game. Factorio is a game. So here is my channel. And we had Lua on Love2D. We had machine learning and data science. We had machine learning. Again, we had a Unity game for 2 streams. We had my personal auction on Nuxt.js and on Vue. We had Fastapi, we had Coding Game, we had Shenzhenyu, Twitch bot, Factorio Game, Swift. We made one Swift, Paint in Swift we made, GLSL, Wolfram Mathematica, OpenCV, Godot, Human Resource Machine, Vulkan API, CS Bond, thank you for your follow. WinAPI. We had WinAPI stream. Best website to learn Russian. I didn't really use any websites to learn Russian because my parents told me how to talk in Russian. Oh, we had LeetCode streams, Pygame streams, Blender streams, QR code generator streams, Golang streams, Java streams, C# streams, many different streams. Peace and Pause previews are the best. Wine API. So, Clash is ending in 7 minutes, and we have 6 more people here. Let's wait for a few. And I even had, let me show you. 1 minute. We have 7 more minutes, so I will show you a few of the interesting. What is Shenzhenyu? It's a game where you have to make a kind of controllers, I guess. We had even We had even assembling this thing. How do you say тумбочка in English? In English today, second place. I greatly overestimated the pattern. Hello, welcome us. How do you say тумбочка in English? Furniture compilation stream, where I try to assemble some furniture. With a knife. It was pretty embarrassing, I guess. Тумбочка stream. Yes. It's my тумбочка for the bathroom. Yeah, I wanted to understand how the toilet paper will suit my тумбочка. When is Minecraft stream? I had one Minecraft stream, I guess. We had Factorio and Getting Over It stream. Oh, it was amazing. We had Factorio stream. And we had with Getting Over It. Why I see only 2 videos on Mehmasha YouTube channel? Because you look at videos. You can click on the streams videos. I have 2 videos and a lot of streams. Karab, thank you for your follow. Is your name Mehmasha? No. My name is only Masha. Masha is a Russian for Mary, Maria, and so on. Just a Russian for Mary. Have you played Only Up? Yes, I played Only Up. Getting Over It was amazing. I played Only Up. I even let's see. I even completed Only Up. You see this? I completed Only Up in one stream. Cabinet assembly. Yeah. In one stream. I completed Only Up in one stream. And let's see. I completed world record candidate. Okay, guys, how do you think? In what time did I complete Getting Over It game? How do you think? In what time did I complete Getting Over It game? Two weeks. No, not 30 seconds. Not 30 seconds. No. Let's just yeah. No, it's not a real time. It's not a real time. No one has ever completed Getting Over It in 50. Someone just completed it in 59 seconds. If you didn't know, I'm a Getting Over It speedrunner. Professional Russian Getting Over It speedrunner. So no one has ever completed Getting Over It in 33 seconds. What about the meh in Mehmasha? Many people think that meh means mechanical. Many people think, I personally think that meh is first of all just meh. Just meh. That's all. I saw someone had 3 hours or so. My first time in Getting Over It was 3 hours and 50 minutes. What is your favorite games of all time? Minecraft. I guess Minecraft is my favorite game. Oh, it was a long stream. We had Arduino stream. Do I have Arduino stream here? WinAPI, yeah. Are you anticipating any game releases? No, I don't think so, because I don't really play many games. Like, I have... I didn't really play many games in my life, like Minecraft, and so yeah, we connected this Raspberry Pi to my Twitch bot, so people could turn on the lights and turn off the lights. You are 48 centimeters. Yes, I am. It's my height. That's right. I bet you don't have a Fallout 4 Steam. No, I don't have Fallout 4 Steam. Sometimes people want Fallout for my game lotteries, but it didn't really win. Clash is ending soon. How come I can only see 2 of your videos on YouTube? Because those are not videos, those are streams. You can switch to the streams panel. Streams or translation steps. Yes. Is your Discord in English too or another language? My Discord is usually for different alerts, broadcasts, or live in English UI. Yeah. Hi, do you stream in Russian? I almost always stream in Russian, and today is my first stream in English. yeah, just a live tap on my YouTube channel. Okay, okay, 5 people didn't really finish it. Yeah, divided by 2, that's all. Stream English every day from today. We'll see. It depends on the audience. It depends on the reaction of the audience. Right now I'm playing some kind of a cyber sport too, Rocket League. And what about iRacing? Let's see. Let's start another clash. Stott Ron, thank you for your follow. I will give you the link for this another game. And so everyone can participate. Racing melody. Okay. It's Unalive, yeah. I hope I should win more. Maybe more European audience will be live now. USA is at office. Yeah, someone told us that it is 2 p.m. for US viewers for now. It is half. Okay, I can't understand how do I translate at this time. Козерожка, thank you for your follow. Thank you so much. One a.m. Not really 1 a.m. Not almost 1 a.m. 00:25. Yeah. It's all I can say. I can't say it in AM and PM statements. You see, it's huge, yeah. So for someone 1 p.m., for someone 2 p.m., for someone 3 p.m., for someone 22. From 11 p.m. from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Oh. Like 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 6 time zones. Interesting. Okay, I will clone the link. 5 a.m. here. 5 a.m.? Where are you from, Xmas Morning? Are you from Ukraine? No, I'm from Russia. I will I will put my link in the chat again, so if anyone wants to participate. We have 10 participants for now. "5:27 a.m. Where is it? Plus 5 for me, plus 8 UTC. I thought you were guessing your age when you said 26. 7 time zones. Well, Russia has more time zones. So sometimes on my streams, some people say, okay, I will go to bed now because it's like 3 a.m. for me and I only have 11 p.m. or so. I'm from Mongolia at the moment. Oh, yeah, so it's 5 time zones between us. That's a lot. And I have my own site with the lottery where you can make your lotteries. But it's not really radio, it's on Nuxt.js. It's on Nuxt.js and you can spin the wheel to know the winner. Today I wrote a game Hangman and I had some bug. I saw it. Did my chat help you? I saw Bosch was helping you. I'm from... Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Fastest. What do you think? 9. What? Max words count I for I in words. Replace spaces with zeros. Why not? Why not? So the most used letter and spaces we... Oh, no. You will? I'm from Moscow? Yes, I am from Moscow. Okay, I didn't really understand the spaces part. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Birdie, thank you for your follow. Welcome. And Magic Mayor, thank you for your follow. Oh, welcome to the stream. Welcome to this coding game stream. Yes, it's my personal lottery wheel. So you can choose the winner. Tuxo, thank you for your follow. Welcome. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this stream. Welcome to this chat. Welcome to this channel, I guess. So, Nihilim Chomik, thank you for your follow. Welcome. Hello, Tuxo. Tuxo, sorry. X letter in your nickname, in your username, is called H, like H in English. So I misspelled it 2 times. Yeah. Oh, most of the people solved it already. Okay. Okay. Filter is letter, count by ID, max by print. Yes, and notice. Rafa. All the stars are here. We have all the stars. So, Davis, thank you for your follow. Welcome. How are you guys? I'm very concerned about my English and my English accent and about my English vocabulary and everything English. Yeah. I read an article about ESC. What is ESC? Eurovision Song Contest? 45 HGK. Thank you for your follow. Oh no, ECS. Chipset O is S for a classical Amiga. Happy, thank you for your follow. Welcome. Welcome. Chomek is my nick. Is your Chomyak, according to Google. Oh, Chomyak, it is an animal. It is a small animal. Yeah. Entity component system. I speak English very excellent. Can't agree, but thank you. Yeah, it's a small animal. Do you have an English class at work now? I used to have. I miss those days. At work, hamster. Yeah. At work, I had English at university. I had English at school, but not at work. Hamster. You speak English very nice. Greetings from Greece. Welcome. Greetings from Russia. Hello. Yeah, this is hamster. I didn't have any hamster when I was young. Many people think that hamster is a very, very good first pet for a child. So people hamster. So like small kids will understand what is a death of a real pet, and they think that it's a very good pet for that. Because hamsters die often and they only live like for 1 year or 2 years. Hello, today only English speech or cock? Today, yes, from me it's only English speech, I guess. And you can write anything in Russian, but I will translate it and answer in English, I guess. Oh, just remembered that I had hamster pet when I was a kid. I had a lot of mice. I told you, I had 11 mice. 11 mice. Greetings from America, welcome. His name was Shushik. Oof. I remember only 2 names of my mice. I had an Amerigo name. Ренедик. Не, ну хорошо, не вопрос. 5 minutes of Russian for now. Renrik just entered the word for 5 minutes of Russian, so Russian viewers can understand something I say. Тяжело. Тяжело. У меня уже голова плавится, ребята. Уже голова плавится. Я забыла все слова. Я вам говорю, во-первых, кресло стримера дает минус 30 IQ, во-вторых, стрим на английском дает еще минус 50 IQ примерно. Я в итоге оказываюсь с отрицательным IQ. Ник Воу, спасибо большое за follow. Or thank you for your follow. I am American. На русском тяжело. Да на русском как раз-таки еще куда не шло. На английском я устала. Файк, спасибо большое за follow. Особенно, когда практики нет. Да. По сути, у меня вся практика, которая есть, это когда кто-нибудь в чате тыкает на награду, которая называется наоборот. Тихо, спасибо большое за фоллоу. Которая называется наоборот. 5 минут на английском. Вот вся моя практика. What are you doing right now? 3 minutes of Russian for now. And then another coding game task, I guess. Короче, если будешь читать только английские статьи, токи, сайты и смотреть видосы только на английском, то перестанет плавиться. Нет, не абсолютно не соглашусь, потому что я именно это и делаю. У меня весь мой YouTube, например, YouTube, вся документация, собственно, они и так на английском. Это не помогает. Если ты не будешь тренировать спикинг, то ничего не получится. То есть проблема-то в том, что я понимаю, я нормально понимаю, но как только дело доходит до того, чтобы сказать, я вспомню только одно слово. Как можно перевести, один вариант того, как можно перевести фразу, а не все 30, которые я слышала в видосах, но прекрасно понимала. Смешно придумали говорить 5 минут на русском, на английском стриме, чтобы наоборот все было. Это совсем не разговорная история. Даже прослушивание видосов не разговорное ни разу. I wish I knew Russian so beautiful. И говорить, и читать, и понимать. English — это разные вещи. Это вот все тренируется отдельно. She said that it's very hard to speak in English for long. Я еще в начале заказывала 5 минут. Ой, давай я их себе верну, кстати. Давай я их верну тебе. А то это было до технических шоколадок. Это было до всяких технических... О, русская речь, шок-контент. Где у меня это управление трансляцией? У меня еще 2 минуты, и потом... Все так. Напомнить, попить это, да, стать Фионой. Это было... это было напомнить английский. Все. Курнув, я тебе вернула баллы. Произношение, конечно, еще остается, надо читать на английском вслух, надо разговаривать. Надо разговаривать, иначе никакого смысла не будет. Чтобы научиться общаться, нужно общаться. Все, English закончился на минутку и 15 секунд. Я могу разговаривать. Вначале это вообще ужас какой-то. Блин, с камерой этой, с Windows. У меня есть приложение для камеры. И оно прекрасно работало. Но как только я решила начать стрим, и я переключилась на вебку, чтобы на весь экран, чтобы вы меня видели, как обычно, оказалось, что камера уже к этому моменту умерла. Причем она очень интересно умерла именно на том моменте, когда я ковырялась в носу. Понятно, на каком еще моменте она могла умереть. Вот. И для того, чтобы ее заново запустить, пришлось просто перезагружать компьютер. И все с нуля готовить. Великолепно. Это разные события. Вчера пришло письмо, что я успешно прошел первый свой в жизни собес, и меня берут на работу. Congratulations! Это и флап Т, и флап Д. А что это такое? Да, поэтому пришлось все с нуля перезагружать, все там заново все поднимать, там все Visual Studio, все браузеры. And on that note, English, Russian, 5 minutes of Russian end for now. English on is back. Oh, you can practice with me next time, but I need to be drunk for it. You want to stream together also? T-flip, flop, what? What? How did you find a developer job without a degree? I guess it is not very important for Russian jobs. How are you? I'm fine. Everything is alright. It's my first English stream. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. No, not on stream. But then I could only write. Degree is not very is not mandatory for Russian jobs, I guess. But for most of the jobs, you need a degree, like for medicine, for I don't know, economics and so on. But for IT jobs, you don't need any degree. Usually, you need a degree if you are working for the government companies. And for governmental jobs, yes, you definitely need a degree because your salary depends on your degree. If you have, I can't understand. I can't translate all those words. Like, if you have bachelor's degree, you will get this salary. If you have master's degree, you will have this salary. If you have postgraduate, you will get this salary. It's on governmental jobs, but not on most of the jobs. We have one bank. PhD, yes. You have Google Translate, yes. Translate. Because sometimes I don't know any words. Fine, thank you. And we have one bank in our country that wants a degree for the job. I guess that's all. Let's start another clash. Let's start. Let's wait translate like this. Yeah. Another clash for now. Go to sleep. Good night. What's your main browser? Microsoft Edge. I used to work in Google Chrome browser, but now I use Microsoft Edge. Today is very interesting stream. Yes, for me too. You can call me and practice if I won't be angry. We will practice together. It's video about flip T. Oh, it's about the sounds. I guess I had all those lessons very early because I started learning even before school. I started learning English. What's the point of this game? To be the fastest? Almost always to be the fastest. Yeah, I started learning English even before school, so I don't remember some language. Thank you for your follow. I don't remember any problems with like pronunciation, with and with simple constructors. So for me, and even for programming, I guess, I don't really remember how did I learn loops, how did I learn conditions, how did I learn variables. So becoming a Fiona, we have the next reward here, and basically it's just me as a Fiona for 3 minutes. Let's start. It's like LeetCode tasks. Yeah, but you have to be the fastest. You don't have to think about Shrek. You don't have to write the best algorithm. You don't have to write the fastest algorithm. You just have to be the fastest. What part of Russia are you from? I'm from Moscow. It's central Russia, capital of the Russia, of Russia. Will you go back to school, to university? I don't think so. I quit university many years ago, and for now, I didn't see any situations where I needed university degree. LeetCode is mostly parsing. Easy LeetCode tasks, I guess they would still be more complicated than Clash of Code tasks. But if only there was a way to learn all the words in the language. I don't want to check the dictionary for C1, C2 words. Yeah, when you try to speak, you usually use just a few words. Enable some cam filter or watch the stream. Yes, it is a reward. There is a reward with which points where you can activate and make me a Fiona or Hulk wound for a few minutes. I have the timer. You see? Oh, this timer. What's your favorite mod in Clash of Code? I guess shortest. I think shortest. I don't understand because I can't speak English. When all the noise clears up, I want to go to Moscow and party. It would be interesting, yeah. Yeah. I guess I want to think that everything will be fine. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Fastest. When the task to know whether palindrome is it palindrome and is it palindrome. What? Bin and from second to the end. If R doesn't equal to A with a -1 step, print no. If palindrome and the size of the representation is even. Else print yes. Name business. What do you mean name business? $75? How? What do you mean 75? How 75? Okay, and 0 for the filter. So, what is it? What? I forgot to make a model. I forgot to make a module too. A mod too. Yeah. Okay. 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 Smart coder is the first for now. If you can read this, you can get a job with high paid, or I don't understand the last two words, I guess. High pay, yeah. Yeah. Mod. Mod 2. Yeah, that's all. How did you do? I forgot to make mod 2 here. I forgot it. I didn't write this line fully. Yeah, Tuxo. Tuxo made it in C++. Rafa made it in Ruby. Tuxo, you can click the button that shares your code so I can look at it. Yeah, self. No, if self is not like reverse. Okay. Okay. Yeah, many people say that coding game is not really a good competition because you there aren't any situations where you have to write a code faster than anyone else, or where you have to write a code that's shorter than anyone else. Should it look so? Let's see. Something like that. But it's just a competition. Hello, hello, Cement. Hello. Welcome. I want to eat. Can you please hit my filet of fish burger? Please. Please. My filet of fish burger. Just heat it in the microwave, please. And because I'm really hungry, I guess. Yeah, I always eat on my streams. Because I always get hungry when I'm doing a lot of like mind work and so on. If I hit, I eat. Yeah, I will get my filet of fish burger in a few minutes, I guess. Only 5. And if anyone else makes this task for 100%, they will win me. They will win me. I forgot this mod for LAN. Okay. Okay. So, guys, my foreign viewers, I have a question for you. Do you like a McDonald's, or you don't like McDonald's? I'm very interested. I have fish too, smoked mackerel. We love McDonald's. I have a story for you about McDonald's in Russia. So, as you many people know, there is some geopolitical situation. Yeah. So basically, McDonald's quit Russia, and now we have the alternative that is almost the same like a McDonald's, but it is called with another names. So we don't have filet o fish burger, we have just fish burger. We don't have big tasty burger, we have big special burger, and so on. Basically, the same burgers, the same potato free, the same nuggets, the same everything, but just with different names and different emblem, different logo. And it's not McDonald's anymore, but basically all the same burgers and the same dishes. Smoked mackerel. It's not McDonald's, yeah. How do you say картофель по-деревенски in English? So, yeah, the same filet of fish burger, but it's called fish burger. Which one do you like? DCM or MC? What is DCM? Yes. It's just as it's the same ninja number. Thank you for your follow. It's same as McDonald's, but it's called, let me translate it, tasty, and that's all. Just think about it. It was called McDonald's. McDonald's, a good, awesome name, and now it's called tasty, and that's all. It's a name. It's a name of the new fast food thing that was a McDonald's before. Yeah, it was McDonald's. So every McDonald's changed to tasty, and that's all. And that's it. 148 in the description. Yes, it's my real hate. It's my real hate. If McDonald's were managed like software company, 1 out of every 100 Big Macs would give you food poisoning. And the response would be, well, sorry, have a coupon for 2 more. I'm not eating it in 2023. That the food tastes the same? Sometimes not, but basically they have the same поставщики. How do you say поставщики? They have the same vendors. Basically, they have the same vendors. They just changed the design. That's all. That's all. Firstly, when it opened, cocktails weren't the same, I guess. That's all. Basically, the food is the same. Why everyone in English right now? Because today is my first English stream. It's my first English stream. Name of the restaurant is funny. Tasty, and that's it. It was very funny when we first heard it. Ingredients are the same. Can you tell about good courses about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? On Stepik there is a course from Andrei Yegorov. In the course of HTML and CSS, it's okay, I guess. Tasty, period. Yes. I just don't understand how they even can do this. They are making the same menu. They just changed all the names, that's all. And we can be the McDonald's again, but with a different name, that's all. Now I want to eat McDonald's. I love your eyes, very pretty young lady. Thank you so much. Yes, just a simple fillet of fish. Actually, this has been around since 2014. What has been around? Why are you eating this shit when there are a lot of better burgers around? Not expensive. They're not expensive. You can buy them almost everywhere. Do you prefer Let's Code or coding game? It's two different places. Two кардинально. How кардинально? It's two drastically different places. So in that code, you train your algorithms, you make your solution the fastest. Here, you just participate in the speed of your coding. Before that, cutlets were brought from Poland and many other ingredients. Well, suppliers, vendors always change. It's fine. Which one do you like, this one or McDonald's? I guess they aren't really different. And yeah, half of the KFC fast foods quit Russia, and we don't have KFCs now, we have Rostix restaurants. I guess it's better to eat a tasty burger for 600 than cheap McDonald's for 200. For today, for now, I don't have any choice, I guess. Gromazeka, thank you for your follow. I don't have any choice because I have this morning burger. Hello. Ты надолго сломалась? It's the whole team of broken Masha. Sanctions haven't changed much in Russia. They changed. They changed a lot. But KFC are now much worse, at least my lovely strips. I always thought that McDonald's strips are the worst. Like, KFC has so good strips, and McDonald's have such bad strips. Such bad strips. Sometimes there are KFCs, and sometimes there are Rostix. It depends on some, I don't know, economical things. They always were bad. McDonald's had very nice wings. Had once. But now McDonald's doesn't have any good wings. What you need? Okay, another clash. Let's start another clash. Chicken is the best meat. I agree, Nate. I agree because I personally don't really like any beef burgers. I almost always eat chicken or fish burgers. Do you play COD Warzone? What is COD Warzone? I don't know. I don't really play games. Call of Duty? No, I don't play. Ham is the best meat. Do you like chess? I can't play chess. I don't really know any all those rules. I know the rules, but I don't know any moves. I once made a chess in a Pi game, and I connected it to my chat, so everyone in the chat could move different figures, and it wasn't very easy task because of the... Oh no, I won't understand. I won't translate anything. Because of the... pass takeover and castling. So no, I don't really play chess. Last time those symbols weren't alright in the chat. I guess it's fine now. Calm Mandy, thank you for your follow. I sleep. You sleep? Good night, I guess. What are you eating? Is it a pie or is it a cake? It was a fish burger. A fish burger. Fish burger from a Tasty and That's It restaurant. Magwin, thank you for your follow. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. I have potato free. What are the French fries called? Картошка free. Well, with all the fast food restaurants, you can hit almost everything. So you can hit a burger, it will be fine. You can hit McNuggets, they would be fine. But you can't hit French fries. They will taste horrible. Have you heard of the singer Susanna Barton? Yes, I heard about her. Still waiting for true Russian herring burger. What is herring? Need air fryer? Maybe, yeah. Microwave doesn't work for French fries. What is herring? Seven. Селедка? I don't think we need it. I don't think we need it. Shortest. Oh, finally. Finally. Finally, the shortest mod coding game. So, basically, what you have to do now, you have to write the shortest code possible. Sum the maximum and the minimum of a sequence. Sounds easy. Sounds easy. So you can do this task like so. As append, I don't know, x and write the min and max of s, and it will work. But it is 101 symbol, so it's not a very good solution. You have to write a smaller solution. So for example, I won't do anything like that. I would do int input for I in range int input L null key. Thank you for your follow. Like so. I guess int input for I in range int input, and then invalid literal for maze int one maze. Oh no! Oh no! No. You think that I am Russian? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I usually stream in Russian, but today is my first English stream. Yeah, I can do something like so. Herring burger is rye bread, onion, garlic, and salted. No. Yeah. Alucard, thank you for your follow. Thank you. I can do like just input and s equals map int input split. Why do you say so? Yeah, it's already 64 symbols. 64. McDonald's is only famous outside of America, even though it's originated in Chicago. And a vodочка from fridge. I still want to eat. I ate this burger. It's definitely not enough. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. If I make an alias for input command, it would be much shorter, 60 symbols. Yes, Python again. Python again. Well, has an asterisk. I can't see it for now. I can't see it for now. Is it again about OpenZero? Yeah. It's again about OpenZero. Yeah. I did not use OpenZero this time. So I forgot the translation. Walrus operator? I keep forgetting about OpenZero. I just don't understand how to use OpenZero. Still don't understand. Do I do something like n s equals open 0? No. No, that's not it. Split? No. What is actually an OpenZero? Name 0 mode error encoding. This is not subscriptable. What is OpenZero? And S OpenZero means N is the first line and S is the second line. But why didn't it all work? Oh, so it has... Bot checks the program. So why doesn't it work? Gazabo, wow, thank you for your follow. I don't understand. And now I'm eating pelmeni dumplings with turkey and ricotta. Sounds not really traditional. Not enough really stone pack. What? S split. Okay, it's S split. Ordered some Hinkalis. Oh, Hinkalis. Sounds awesome. Oh, so how do I make a smaller code? Open read split is also an alternative to skip the first number. Read split. Where do we use n? We don't use n. We can use this, I guess. It's 58 for now. I can do something like sorting. some of... How can I do it? How can I do it? So if I say print s sum at s minus sum at s. No, it's long. I guess it's long. It will work, but it's longer than the last one. Yeah, it's definitely longer. Ivania, thank you for your follow. In 2003, there was a service in the internet that you had to talk to with your voice, and he saved it as a text. And actually, there were people who were listening to your voice and typing the text. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, it's definitely better. It's smaller, but it's 58 symbols. Hey Masha, what's up with all that English streams? What do you mean all English streams? It's just the first, it's my first English stream for now. Oh no, I forgot to turn on the timer. Is sorted smaller. Mean arc is an empty sequence. So I can't put an iterator in the max. $58. 53 symbols the first place, 54 second. Yeah, but why? Because I have many English speaking viewers. Maybe it would be interesting. What is the first place in for Perl? What is the place for Perl with 20 symbols? No Perl for today, I guess. I have 2 more minutes and I can't understand how I will make this smaller. Just 58. Yeah, that's all for me, I guess. Map int split. Okay. Let's see. Not with open, just with input. Why was it shorter? Okay. Okay, I see. Remember, any string is a valid program in Perl. Hello, how's it going? Hello! Hello, Scadifron. Welcome. It's my first English stream for today. I've never done any English streams. How is Top Solution printing anything? He made an alias for the input command. So he uses input instead of a print command. You can do this. Yeah, because the string still would be printed. It will throw an error about empty file or so, but the program will count it still. Yeah, it just input, but you don't pass any number to this input. Kiss, hello. Hello, hello, Kiss. Kiss, are you immersed? I heard about the service that pays for someone who because your friend wanted to make a parser for captchas. Zarbot, thank you for your follow. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Danish elephant. I'm looking for people to rate when I'm done streaming. Oh, I have my first English stream for today. Yeah. I am basically a programmer, a coder. I am Python web developer, so. Birdie language, birdie language. You displaced me from third. You have 94 symbols. You could simply remove it. You could simply remove your first two lines, so we would have less symbols. Mm-hmm. Tuxo made it in 40 symbols. He made it in 40 symbols. Queen Bee solution is nearly the same as mine, but it's worth looking at as to see the difference. So you used. So how do you call this thing? You used распаковка. You used unpacking in the variable before the variable, and QB used unpacking in the list. I didn't know that you can't use iterators for max and mins. Instead of doing list, I unpack the map, which just saves a couple characters. It saves like list is 4 and brackets is 2. So 6 symbols, and you just used 3. But we'll unpack that outside. I don't know what their technique is called. It's unpacking again. It's like in arguments in the methods. Unpacking decompression. Yeah. It's like you can use it even for reading different variables. So you can use it for different methods, for different functions. Like you can write all the arguments and then args and quarks. I had to look up one function in Rabbit and know if it's fair. It's okay, as long as they don't use ChatGPT for solving your questions, for solving your task. It's okay. I used unpacking 2 for another can of beer. My bottle of wine was unpacked on the last stream, and I have this winter cap for it, so it won't. Hey, just a cap for my wine bottle. Welcome, Babyster. Welcome. That is Compot. Why Compot? It is Compot. Okay, it is Compot. You have any link for this? Babyster, thank you for follow. I ordered it on Wildberries. Let's see. It costs like 100 or 200 rubles. Yeah, it costs 200 rubles. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Alright, I'm heading to bed. Good night. Good night. Good night. Thank you for being here. We have... Oh, Clash is complete. Clash is already complete. Yeah, almost everyone completed this Clash. Let's make, like, I guess, 1 or 2 more Clashes. And go to bed for now. Rubles или Rubbles просто очень... Oh no, I almost started to talk in English. I always thought that it is Rubles, not Rubles. Okay, another link, another Clash of Code. Haskell. Yeah, you can... I don't know if you can get less symbols if you delete those things and this space. I need to be off. Thanks for the game. Good night, Kinong. Rubles, rubles. 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 Yeah, really rubles? I thought it is rubles. I always thought it's rubles. Okay, 200 rubles. It's like $2.50 for the wine cap. Rubles. Yeah. Yeah, Tux is the first, because it's Ruby. Ruby and Perl always win when it's shortest mod for a coding game. Three more minutes. If anyone wants a link, I can double it. I can post it again in chat. And I guess we'll start like in a minute and a half. My Twitch says that I have a new subscription, but I didn't really see any notifications about Twitch subscriptions. What's going on? What is going on? Okay, I don't understand. Okay. One more minute and let's start. 0, let's go. And shortest again. Number of times the digit is a number. Number of times the digits in a number changes. 32 changes 0 times and 1, 2, 3 changes 2 times. And again the shortest. N equals input. It is the sum So yeah, this is my real keyboard with Russian letters. Hello, Margot, welcome. I have an English stream today. English speaking stream. For oh yeah, in orange, Olen and -1. Yes, yes. English stream. English stream, first English stream. London is the capital of Great Britain. Yeah. Okay, so it works. How can we make it smaller? How can we make it smaller? I can use something like walrus separator. So I don't have to use it. Or I can't use walrus separator. Assignment expression cannot be used in a comprehension. Iterable expression? No. No. Okay. I guess 58 is my final answer. Finally, I'm gonna send was mental here. Hello, Waltash. Hello, welcome. Why are you here today? Not on YouTube? Jason Scott. How can I make it smaller? I can make it. No, I can't. I have to use range. I have to use range. I finished work 2 options menu for my game today. Congratulations. Congratulations. So you mean like coding work or design work? How are you today? I guess I'm already pretty tired because of a lot of mind work to speak English. I had a very long sleep today. I slept like till 4 p.m. or so. And I have my next driving lesson today. Oh, tomorrow I have my next driving lesson. How do I make it small? I can't change range. I have to use range. And I can't use walrus separator. Print some of all those. Okay, I guess it's my final answer. Okay. DTR, thank you for your follow. DTR29, welcome. Okay. 40. So without comprehensions, right? BR -1. For C in input, R plus B that is not equal to C, and then B is changed to C. I see. Oh, it's about 2 a.m. Why are you still here? Because I had time today only for very late stream, and For me, it's 2 a.m., but for most of the foreign viewers, it's like 11 p.m. or like 2 p.m. or so. So it's a very great time for the very first English stream. What is the semicolon doing? At this semicolon? You have to use it in Python loops. 4:43 a.m. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes, if you live in Asia, it's very late for people. I am making late night rebase and resolving conflicts. And then you listen to your story on YouTube. Why didn't you make it? Semicolon here for making it in one line. So if you can do it, if you won't use it, you will have to make this line on the third line and place this string on the fourth line or so. I need to write multiple statements. Yes. One of my main customers' time now is 6:45 p.m. It's normal time. Yeah. No way, first time in English. I've been waiting for this since I first watched you also. Hello, Masha. Welcome, Pets. Welcome. Yeah, it's my first English stream. First ever exclusive English stream. I am doing some coding game and you can participate if you want to. Yeah, you can write all the Python program in one line, just using semicolons. In Europe, still 11 p.m. for example, UK viewers. 7 more minutes, and not many people have solved it. Hilarious Chin, thank you for your follow. Thank you. Is the new line counted as a byte? Yes. But semicolon is counted as a new line too. But like here, you don't you need not only a new line, you need one space here to tell the Python that this line is a line in a while loop, in a for loop. And you would need another space and a new line before this line. So it would be like 3 more symbols, 3 more bytes or so. AMPM reminds me a meme about Magic Imperial. No one still knows how do you decrypt AM and PM. In metric, 1 milliliter of water occupies 1 cubic centimeter, weighs 1 gram, and requires 1 calorie of energy to heat up 1 degree centigrade, which is 1% of the difference between its freezing point and its boiling point. Whereas in American system, the answer to how much energy does it take to boil a room temperature gallon of water is obvious, because you can't directly relate any of those quantities. I usually I have my hate. I have this hate comment in a Twitch chat that tells everyone my hate, and I had to go to the Google to understand how much is my hate in foot or so. 4 a.m. I am 40 minutes on the stream. First time here. And it's very hilarious that you translate messages in English. Oh, Kostya, my streams are inches, feet and inches, yeah. So I am 411 hate, 4 feet 11 inches hate. Can make games with Python, only small learning, I guess, games with the Pygame. So you usually make games with Unity, with Unreal Engine, with Love 2D, with Lua, with Godot. Using an approach similar to this, this is 48 bytes. Maybe I did something bad because something not right, because interpreter told me that I can't use a Walrus separator. That I can't use Walrus separator here. And you just use zip for... Ah, I see. Okay, I see. My hate is 0%. In Python, the variable declaration is just a name. No need for other reserved words like let, var, int, double, and so on. Yes, yes. Saves a lot of bytes. 48 chars. Okay, okay. Zip, interesting. Okay, let's start. I guess no one is really. What about Ruby? What about Ruby? We have F sharp. Yeah, it's only Python developers for today. Wait, how many feet? 4 feet 11 inches. Wouldn't the I equals input trick save bytes? It saves bytes only if you have more than 2 inputs in your program. If you have only 1 input, it will just make worse. Hello, Art. Hello. $50. What? For feet 11 is one. It's not. It's not. 5 feet is 150 centimeters. And my height, okay, not height is 5'11". Okay. Hi, where are you from? I am from Russia. Check mine, okay. I don't understand what's going on here. My height is 4'11". 4'11". Because 5 is 150 centimeters. Zip, yeah. But why do you need this new line? You are not for 148 centimeters. Yours for even for 10. Okay, for 10. I thought you would tell. You can't really tell it when I'm sitting in the chair, and I am sitting on my knees. So if I sit normally, like a normal person, I will look like so. Literally. Now I'm sitting like a normal person. So I always sit on my knees to be a little bit taller and have a little bit view. Rafa solution is like what I posted in chat, but he didn't use the walrus. I don't understand why he used a new line. Use pillow. Smart coder. I am currently having my driving lessons. I want to get a driving license soon, and for my every driving lesson I have to have a pillow with me, so I will be tall enough to see what's going on in the front and push on the pedals or so. Did it try it well? Maybe I messed up. So you won't use an input here. You teach me Russian and I teach you English. Oh, why did I remember the exact trace? Like assignment invalid in whatever. I spent 10 minutes to realize my for loop was using the wrong comparison parameter. I have a Canadian friend who is 4-4. Same issue. Can I reach object around the house? Sometimes not, and I use chairs to go to top of the top shelves. Yeah, so basically you don't really need this input alias because you only have 2 places where you can use it. How tall are you? Exclamation mark height command to see it. 200 pounds. 200 pounds or 200 pounds more than me. You are a web or game developer, and what are we doing today? Learn Python? No, I was a web developer, and on my streams I usually use and learn different technologies. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes we do games like in Unity, Unreal Engine, Love2D, or Godot engines, and so on. Sometimes we use just simple technologies and web technologies and so on. If the Walrus inside gives an error, my mistake. Yeah. I tried to use Walrus first. No. Just height. Exclamation mark height. Because I have no idea when it works. No, it doesn't. 4 feet 10 inches. Yeah. Wait. Oh no. We have to get some kind of calculator. Wait. Like 100. How do you say it? How do font? Pounds. Yeah. 100 pounds. I weigh 100 pounds. Need to Google it each time. Pound is 0.45 of a kilogram, I guess. Okay. C++. Ooh. Alex Posk, thank you for your follow. Yeah, such a strange numeric system. Pounds and feet and so on. Rust. We even have a Rust solution. Okay. Very last game. Very last. The last of the last. The final game for today. And I guess I will end my stream for today. 2 a.m. for me. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Hinkalis on the way, gonna fix that. I haven't been eating Hinkalis for like a few months for now, I guess. It was a very fun stream, thank you. Yeah, last final game. And we will end for today. Eight competitors. For now, I guess I will start like in a minute or so. Same height, but 1.5 more weight. Hinkalis on the way. Hinkalis. Dumplings. dim sums, чебурекс, вареникс, пирожочкис. I can't understand all this stuff. I can't translate all this stuff. So okay, 20 more seconds and I will start the game. My cup is almost empty. Sweet пирожочки. Sweet пирожочки, and tasty пирожочки, and beef пирожочки, and eggs пирожочки. Many different пирожочкис. The COVID limitation and work from home after it forced me to get about 20 plus kilograms. David and Charles Bond are following on YouTube. Thank you so much. I thought that if I quit smoking, I would gain a lot of weight, but this didn't happen. So like you quit smoking, and then you want to make something, you want to do something always, and you will eat, but it didn't really work for me. I didn't really gain much weight. Fastest. Wait, no, just tobacco. Just tobacco. How do I do it? Finally, I can understand the stream. Welcome, irregular. How do I make the Pascal triangle? 4i in range len art QQ. Thank you for your follow. I don't know. Range len k minus 2. Q append minus 1 car I plus car I plus 1. Okay. It's 1. S equals 1. 4i in k. S multiply by I and print S. No. A product. Just a sum. Sum of k. Expected to 50. Why do you expect to 50? Hello, Twitch. Welcome, Twitch. How to confuse non-Russian speakers. Hello, Brett. Hello, Brett. You are one of those people who never gain weight. How lucky. No, I just don't eat much. I just don't really much. You were it before. You need to multiply. So what happened? One to one. Okay. And so what is the problem? What is the problem? Friend of mine, thank you for your follow. What is the problem? Why 1-1? Error in the input. Okay, I have some small index problem. I have some just simple. Oh, 2 times. It prints it 2 times. Why it prints it 2 times? I mean, the only thing I understand that it's not Fibonacci. It's not Fibonacci. It's Pascal. It's Pascal. Okay. Okay. What am I doing wrong? And what about so? And again, and again, and again. Why? Tell me please. Okay, range 2 times. Length of Caymans. Oh, do you know Vani Meladze? Yes, I know Vani Meladze. Pascal triangle in Pascal. No, no Pascal language. 9 minutes, I still can't understand. What is my problem? From 1 to length of the K minus 1. I will speak in English on this stream, yeah, but usually my streams are in Russian. Oh, so it just doesn't work. Okay, it just doesn't work. Why it's not working? Oh, really? Oh, no. No. No, it doesn't matter. Why car isn't changing? Len of the K minus 1. What's going on? You're Russian, right? I've heard that people there are well tall, so how do you feel about being short? No, I am fine with being short. I don't think that people are tall, pretty tall here. I don't think that it will help. No, my K list isn't changing, and I don't know why. I just don't see a small mistake. I can't see just a small mistake. That's all. Okay, it was strange. It was strange. Yes, I forgot. I added -1 here, but I didn't need -1 here. We're just above average. Dutch people are tall. Yeah, so I understand that I don't need that Russian people are not very tall. See the last the old end. I'm doing this. So I am multiplying. I am adding the values from the last list, and here I'm just copying a new list. Pascal triangles are quite easy on Fibonacci. Yeah, I thought that the problem was with the lists and variables and so on, but the problem was with this simple -1. Oh. I won't ask any questions. Yeah. Doesn't really matter if it's -1 or +1. Okay, good night. I need to go. I'm ending the stream for now. Two. Part of combine R and I for I in range there. Just Gigio, thank you for your follow. Yeah, Tlipoka, it's your turn. It's your turn to start the stream. Here we are for today. My throat hurts from speaking not classical sounds. Have a nice night. You remind me to my high school friend Short, but the smartest. She won a chemistry competition first place. Oh, I always was bad at chemistry. I always was bad at chemistry. So, I have a question for all my foreign speakers. Do you know a CM Griffin? Clandestino, thank you for your follow. Go sleep then. Yeah, do you guys know CM Griffin streamer on Twitch? I have a question. More alien language, more birdie language streams. And how do you guys like? How do you guys like English streams? Tell me, please. I'm very, very interested. We're rating some, of course. Of course, we will be rating CM Griffin. And first of all, I want to know your opinion about this experiment, about this small experiment with English as a main language for the stream. What's my Russian word of the day so I can learn? Dream Dim, thank you for your follow. Your Russian word will be mysh. Mysh. It's a mouse in Russian. Mysh. So, I hope you liked it. Mix English and Russian. I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that mixing will be okay. I think I have to mix Russian and English streams, not Russian and English in one stream. Shteo, hello. Please do more of this. I'll think about it. We will be reading CM Griffin. Subtitles in English streams would be great. Maybe. We will be reading CM Griffin. He is a software and game development streamer too. He's English streamer. So guys, I wasn't here for long. How are you doing? How is your summer? We are ending for today, so I will be happy to see you tomorrow because today's stream is already ending. Thanks for Potok, appreciation. Thank you, Umberto. Thank you, Umberto, for coming. Thank you all, guys, for coming. And girls, of course. Of course, we were talking about Russian and English language, right? Okay. Let's read Sim briefing. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thanks for the team. You are welcome. Bye bye. Bye to everyone. Bye bye bye. And bye to Good Game. And bye to YouTube. And bye to VK. Bye 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 bye. Я сейчас приду. Я сейчас приду к вам туда в чатик, окей?